Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. So again, two-box design using Okta. We covered because we do have to have connectivity over to a customer cloud, but you see it doesn't fundamentally change from our foundational single box design. It's just that we need network connectivity, so we peer over to the other box. We already covered conceptually what this looks like in a single box design. We're just adding the networking piece to this.